Team workshops and events have gotten away with being throwaway for too long. Team events should either meaningfully improve employee engagement or team performance, or both. In this video, I want to address how to build employee engagement with team workshops and events. Now, the business case for focusing on employee engagement has long been closed. The Harvard Business Review surveyed business leaders back in 2014 and found that 71% of them thought that employee engagement was critical to the success of their organisations. For a simple visual of how workshops and events can help too, I'll use a recognised model in Carey and Elliott's engagement bridge. As displayed in their best-selling book, Build It, the Rebel Playbook for World-Class Employee Engagement, the engagement bridge here is a simple and powerful way of looking at building engagement in your organisation. As each layer is added or strengthened, the engagement bridge gets stronger and the more engaged employees it carries. So let's look at the engagement bridge from the foundation layers and look at that all the way up to the top and look at how you can build engagement with the team through workshops and events. So WellBeing Workshops, for example, as a beginning, can address everything from healthy eating to moving pain-free. And engagement managers know that employee wellbeing underpins everything. It can't be ignored, it can't be swept under the carpet, and snack boxes and gym memberships might not do the trick. This makes WellBeing Workshops a great way to tackle this base layer. We think that workshops and events should facilitate open and honest communication by building trust and gamifying the difficult bit to build confidence and build their skill in this area. Now, we've actually achieved this with Lego and Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, so there are plenty of options depending on your desired outcomes, the cohort and the tone. When it comes to communicating and celebrating your business purpose or mission, or bringing your values off the page to live and not just read, team workshops and events come into their own. Supporting charities, helping the community, becoming more sustainable can all be addressed as a team in an experiential and memorable way. You can also use metaphor, and with a little creativity you can build, connect, respect, be human at your next conference through a suitable team workshop or event linked to the key message that you need to convey. When it comes to building employee engagement, managers are arguably more important than leaders. Now, leaders can impart their vision and paint a beautiful image of the future, but it's through managers that most employees experience your true culture on a daily basis. According to Gallup, 50% of employees leave because of their managers. Now, personality profiling workshops can help to equip your management team with the insight, awareness and soft skills required to sustain and boost employee engagement in their people. A dry profile report and a boring 3 hours in a conference room isn't going to cut it. However, what you need is a workshop tailored to your managers, underpinned by a respected profiling tool with real actionable outcomes agreed by all at the end. Workshops and events have always been a brilliant way of saying thank you. Awards dinners, hospitality, summer fun days, Christmas parties. And in the past, these activities have been done when a business has done the numbers. But in a world where employee engagement is regarded as critical to success, it might be that you're not doing the numbers because you're not doing these events. To wrap up, the old way of treating people at work has failed. According to Gallup, only 30% of employees are engaged in what they do, and in such a competitive world, this is just not good enough. Team workshops and events, when designed in partnership with you, should help you to offset these awful numbers. Workshops and events targeted at engagement should help your staff to innovate, deliver better customer service, beat the competition. And if you're ready for your next team workshop or event to give you a little bit more, then we want to hear from you.